ClwydAlyn's independent living schemes are based all across North Wales. They're designed for older people to live independently, with the peace of mind that extra care and facilities are available, if and when they're needed.
It enables me to have the lifestyle that I want to have, though I look after myself. There's care around me if I need it.
Colin was diagnosed with an illness, and I knew that possibly at some point I might need some help. We realised it would be a good thing, and it was the best move we ever made. It's just so good for older people. Everything is taken care of. You don't have to worry about anything.
Mae'n gofyn i mi nes i mynd am banad y goffi, a mae'n byw dros ffordd i mi, a mae wedi bod yn nefoedd i mi. A mae pawb yn ffeind yma, mae'r bwyd yn dda yma, a mae'r absolutely wonderful te.
Mae pob fo independence dydy, dyna fe dwi'n licio.
Beth sy'n braf bod gynnoch chi ddrws ffrant i chi ynde. Da chi'n cymryd y cau drws arnach a cartoni, dyna fo.
Ie, so mae gennych chi gartra bach preifat.
There's activities I can take part in, which I am going to do this afternoon, which is a craft session.
We've got a new car, so we're out and about. We're always at the garden centres looking for plants.
Wedyn dwi'n codi, cael cloi y drws, mynd i lawr y stryd.
Mae llwyth yn negas.
And then we're back here in time for lunch.
You always wanted a chef, didn't you?
I always wanted a personal chef.
I can come in here in the sun lounge, on the sun deck.
There's a computer room, there's a library.
Hairdresser, launderette, y cwbl yma.
There are a lot of misconceptions about this sort of development. It's not a nursing home. It's really lovely apartments with extra facilities if you need them.
Os da chi'n sal, mae'r gloch yn mynd, and they come and see you.
Bod gynnoch chi'r peth larwm yna i bwyso. A mae hwnna'n braf i ni fel eich teulu chi i wybod bod chi'n saff.
As far as my family's concerned, they're well over the moon, because they know that if anything happens to me, there's someone around to help.
It's just nice to know you feel secure, you're safe.
Bob peth yn bendigedig. Da ni'n eitha royalty yma.
Yndan wir, yndan, mi dan ni, yndan.
And I personally would recommend anyone that's thinking of coming into a place like this to get the name down.
So welcome to the club.